Hey everyone, I received this vacuum cleaner as a gift from the brand in exchange for an honest review. So let's unbox it, test it out, and see how well it works. This is everything you receive with the vacuum, and they even send you an extra filter replacement. Assembling it was very simple and straightforward. And they also provide you with a wall mount that holds all of the parts for this vacuum. Overall, I am very happy with this vacuum. It feels well made. It does its job very well. If you are looking for a stick vacuum like this, I do recommend this brand.